have something exciting to tell you guys. I've been listening to all my minis out there, everybody who wants the Quay and Saharas in minis in the colors they don't already come in. We've been seeing all your tweets, so we decided to roll out some minis in some of your favorite Sahara and Quay shades that don't already come in mini. I'm really excited for this because I felt like there was a lot of you who were feeling left out with not having minis and not being able to wear the original Quays and the original Sahara size. So here they are launching.
Tell you how it be. You won't get with this, you see, 'cause you can't handle me.